One of the biggest challenges to productivity for cloud development is correctly setting up your environment. Writing and ironing out the kinks in your code requires you to stay focused on the business problem, but before you can even get started, you'll need to be able to easily build, run, and test your code. High productivity can be accomplished by leveraging tools which take care of repeated tasks for you, which is why we've added a new feature, Nitric Start. Run your backend applications locally using the package manager and compiler of your choice, and Nitric Start will automatically detect the resources required to run your application code. We'll be putting out more information soon, but here's a sneak peek into the feature. For this demonstration, I'm going to require 2 terminal windows. Let's get Nitric going with the Nitric Start command. I've already initialized the new project with the Nitric Python starter template. It already has its dependency installed, so we can simply run it. You'll notice that your API comes up immediately. Let's make a small change to our code, save, and you'll notice a slight flicker as the code refreshes and your API is available. You can quickly iterate on your business logic this way. You can also attach local debuggers and work with your local tools the way you're used to for quick developer iterations. We're really excited about this feature, so let us know what you think.